Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we again will take a look at the euro currency since our yesterday's analysis needs to be adjusted. Right now we see the action that contradicts to our former thoughts that we have discussed yesterday. The market really right now makes an attempt to return back in this consolidation, and that could lead to the significant consequences for the euro currency. Unfortunately, we can't say definitely that it will happen with the 100% probability, but this is the classical situation, and you probably also saw this on the markets very often. When the market shows the failure breakout of some range or turn it back down inside of it, it usually moves to the opposite direction or even shows the breakout in the opposite bar of this consolidation to the upside. Take a look what we have right now. So market yesterday hasn't formed any grabbers. Partially our analysis has been achieved since market wasn't able to pass through it yesterday and has shown really significant bounce down. I hope that this situation hasn't hurted you too much, because probably you should move your stop to the break even on this bounce down. That's why we usually use the significant resistances for taking the positions. Anyway, right now situation is changing. This market has shifted trend to the bullish. We do not have the close yet, so this trend hasn't been confirmed yet by the close price. But right now, as you can see, market stands on the bullish side of the trend, and what's more significant is that market moves again inside of this range. That's the major point. So as I said, I'd suggest that as soon as market has returned back down in the significant range, we should be ready for the possible action to the upside. And let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here, guys, in fact, you see the same topic that we have discussed on the daily time frame chart. Recall our yesterday flag pattern. Let's see what has happened. Market has broken down it, but returned back up in this range, and what we see right now, move to the opposite border and upward breakout. Something of that sort could happen here, but the scale of this, as you can see, is much greater than on the 4-hour time frame chart. So what we see right now, market has moved above the weekly pivot point. Market has passed through this fib level, so we do not need it anymore. So the level has been broken. Next destination point will be this confidence resistance around 1050 area. It's 1048, 1059 confidence resistance, and take a look, that coincides with the weekly pivot resistance one. So logical object here. Also, guys, it's interesting that if you're taking here into consideration the harmonic swing, its most recent retracements, you could see this market completes approximately the same distances. So if we will use these harmonic swings and clone it and drag it to this current situation, you'll see that target will be approximately 1070. So approximately the same area. That will be next destination. What does it mean? It means that you could try to take the long position probably in the current situation on some retracement down on the hourly time frame chart. For example, if market will return back down, we'll try to retest this broken trend line around the weekly pivot point. Maybe you could try to take the long position if you will get lucky. But as you can see, market is accelerating right now. So that being said, currently the destination that we expect that should be reached is this area, but potentially this is reversal and returning back inside of this consolidation, as I said, in a medium-term perspective, could lead to the more significant upward action. That's really could happen. But first, of course, we should get the confirmation of that. We need to see the close of the price inside of it. So you could probably try to trade this, but be sure that in the end of the session you will get the confirmation that market really will return back up in this consolidation, and trend really has shifted on the bullish side. Because this really could happen that right now market is knocking in this consolidation, but later in the session some data will be released, market will drop and will form some sort of the grabber. That's why the close price is very significant for us. So that's probably all that we could say. Yes, as you can see, market really has shown significant bounce down. After our discussion here we have discussed this, probably market hardly will pass through this resistance, and market really has tried to move down very well, but later it will return it back up. So taking on the recent situation, that was really significant resistance, as we have discussed, Fib level, weekly pivot point, and we said that we usually use these levels, such sort of levels, the strong resistances, for taking the position. This just confirms our major tool that we use in our analysis and in trading. You probably already guys understand that when we talk on some trades, we usually use very significant support resistance levels. Why we do this? Because here, guys, we were wrong, in fact, right? Because market returned back up and break this area. But take a look how we were wrong. We've got a significant retracement as a respect of this resistance. That's why we use these levels, such sort of the levels. Because if even we are wrong, we have a lot of time to move, to protect our position, to move our stop to the break even, or even to take the profit if somebody trade very short term, right? And when the market returns and back up, we lose nothing, even in the situation when we are wrong. So currently on the hourly chart, guys, if you take a look, for example, here you could use such sort of the butterfly or something of that sort. It's 1618. We will add 127 extension here. So market right now is reaching this area. Maybe it will show some bounce. You could try to take the long position maybe with the target around 1050 confidence resistance. That's the logical next destination probably will be. So that's all that we could say right now on the euro currency. Let's see what the real progress we will get here.